Hi, I'm Dave Klein, a developer advocate with Imply, and we're back with another Druid in 100 seconds. And today I'm joined by my colleague Victoria. Victoria, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm a technical writer for Imply, and I work on documentation not just for Imply technologies, but also for open source Apache Druid.
And Victoria's going to tell us about a powerful feature in the Druid Docs. First, to set it up, Druid supports over 200 SQL functions. There are functions for just about anything you can think of doing with your data, and maybe some for things you'd never think of doing. But learning what these functions do and how to use them can be quite a challenge. So today, Victoria's going to tell us in 100 seconds or less about a new addition to the docs that'll help us to meet that challenge. Okay, we can start the timer now.
All right. So here I'm showing the SQL functions reference page. And this page has already existed, but what is new is that we have these expanders for every function that shows you how to use the example in with actual data. And so what you can do is just copy and paste it into your own Druid and see the expected results. So part of how we make this very easy to use is that we provide the sample data sources used with all of the examples. Most of them come with your Druid distribution. And there's a couple of them that you can just copy and paste these select statements. So to show you just how easy it is to use, I'm going to show how to use the dsHLL function, which creates an HLL sketch. So open the example, and then you can see that this uses the flight carrier's data source. So what I'm going to do is copy this query. I'm going to switch over to my Druid, verify that I have the flight carrier's data source right here, and then go to query. We'll paste in this query and run. And we can see these are the expected results that match what's listed in the docs here. So I hope you can use these to learn about and write your own Druid queries. And before I close, I want to give a shout out to Edgar Melendrez, who was our Docs summer intern who helped spearhead this project and wrote more than half of the example functions. So thank you, Edgar, for that.
Yeah, he did a great job. And thank you, Victoria. You made it under time. Way
Awesome.
to go. So thank you again for that explanation. Thank you all for joining us. I do hope you try out those examples. It's a great way to learn and have a lot of fun doing it.